All right, so today is Thursday the 15th, and we are going to do, right after section 1.1 is a little bit of an algebra skill called Midpoint. Not sure if you guys did this last year in Algebra 1 or not, but we're going to go over it. It's a coordinate midpoint. Midpoint literally means exactly what it sounds like. It's the middle point. It's what's the point in the middle between 2 points. So the formula for midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. It's a point. It has an x and a y. It's a coordinate point. Got it? So for example, if I had the numbers or the points 0, 7, and 2, 20 or 21, and I wanted to find the point that's in between them, I would use this formula. First, I would identify my x and my y. This is x, this is y. The first one is always x, the other one is y. So over here, this is x, this is y. Because the one on the left is the first point, this will be x1 and y1. These over here on the second one is going to be x2 and y2. So now I just have to plug it in to my formula here. So first, it's x1 plus x2. Well, that's going to be 0 plus 2, then divided by 2. Then y1 plus y2, that's going to be 7 plus 21 divided by 2. Okay? Now, if you're going to do this right in your calculator, you have to make sure you do the top first, press equals, then divide by 2. So in our case here, 0 plus 2 is 2 divided by 2. 7 plus 21 is 28 divided by 2. Keep going. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 28 divided by 2 is 14. Ta-da! That's your midpoint. Got it? Let's do another example. Let's say I had negative 10, 12, and I don't know, 20, negative 2. Again, first thing we do, identify our x's and our y's. X, then y. X, then y. This is the first point, those are the 1's. The second point, those are the 2's. So now I just plug it into my formula. Negative 10 plus 20, that's my x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Y1 is 12 plus y2 is negative 2 divided by 2. All right, again, we do the numerator first. Negative 10 plus 20, that's 10 divided by 2. 12 plus negative 2, that's also 10 divided by 2. If you are not good with adding or subtracting with negatives, then please use your calculator, not the calculator on your phone. You are not allowed to take out your phone. Please figure out or get your own calculators. They are the sales right now for all calculators because we will be using a graphing calculator in here. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5, boom, the midpoint is 5, 5. Got it? All right, good. Your homework. This is assignment number 3. Today should be Thursday the 15th. It is going to be on page 37. It is what we call the midpoint section. It's a little algebra review, and you're going to do questions 1 through 8. Tomorrow will be more time to work on homework, ask questions to Mr. Gorman, things like that. If you have questions for me, you can always, again, email me or ask Mr. Gorman and he'll email me. Otherwise, have a good weekend, and I will talk to you guys again on Monday. Bye.